We are back with Dr. Claire Dillingham with Cone Health Plastic Surgery Specialist, and we're talking about how you can boost your skin's health. Okay, let's talk about this because everybody thinks, oh, I must be too old to use a anti-aging product. So let's talk about it. Is there ever a too soon or a too late?
No, the only time that there's a too soon or too late is maybe when you're talking about fillers and Botox for like teenagers. That's probably too soon. And if you're talking about surgery, there is a cutoff on age in the sense of heart and lung and thinking about the age. But when it comes to products, that you can put on your skin, like the ZO product that we were talking about. There's no too young or too old. And the reason I say that is because as we age, we're losing collagen and we're losing the ability to heal our skin. And these are the types of things that help with that. So typically, if you think of pretty skin, it's usually healthy skin. And that's really the goal.
Okay, so as we talk about ways to care for your skin, let's talk about maybe some gift ideas for like the skincare lover in our lives or ourselves, because we love some self-care for sure.
So I'm sorry, I didn't hear that
The
part.
gift ideas for
Oh,
those
the
for
gifts.
ourselves or maybe for somebody else.
Yes, yes. So if you're thinking about a gift idea, some of the things that are that could be used for anybody are some of the dermal repair creams. And we have those with the ZO or the Sente product. A nice sunblock for Mother's Day is a great idea. We've got sunblock actually from Elta MD that has some tinting to it. So that's a really nice one for people who may want a little bit of color, but also want that sun protection. So those are some of the things that could be really nice. And you can always do gift cards too, to a spa or to our clinic, for example.
Gotcha. All right, let's talk about if someone has questions about like, how do I improve my skin health, or they want to learn more about the options that might be right for them. What should they do?
I lost you. I know you're talking to me, but I can't hear you.
That's okay. If someone has questions about what these products are or what they should do for their own skin health, should they start with you? Should they start with a dermatologist?
Okay, gotcha. So, yes, I would definitely say that most people should be seeing a dermatologist yearly, to do skin checks. Even young people can get things, skin issues that may not be diagnosed until a dermatologist actually takes a look at you, and they do an amazing job. So I would definitely get in to see a practitioner, whether it be plastic surgery or um, dermatology on a yearly basis. And then you can also at that time, you can get some tips on some of the things that you might be able to do to improve the health of your skin. And sometimes what you see may be really small compared to a bigger issue. Like you may say, okay, I have rosacea, but you're not seeing the pigment all over the face. So I think going to see a practitioner is really important. And actually, we also have at Cone Health an esthetician, and she does an amazing job at really looking over the skin and giving suggestions on different products, facials, and things you can do to really turn it around. And she does an amazing job.
Okay, we have about a minute or so left. What are your final thoughts when it comes to skincare, our routines and things that we should know?
Start early and make it a routine. You know, you brush your teeth, take care of your skin in the same way, twice a day, if not more. And really hydrate, stay away from the things that dry us out. Tanning beds are really, really rough on your skin. And then come and see us, and we'll be happy to start a routine with you and really take that journey to healthy skin, so that you can look healthy throughout your life.
All right, we thank you for your time and your expertise. If you missed any of this, maybe you want to send this to a friend or a family member, it's going to be in the To Your Wellbeing section of our website.